Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As you know, Selenium is one of most popular and famous software automation testing tool, and TestNG is a software testing framework. In my last video, I showed you how to create TestNG class and run your TestNG class. Also, I showed you how to run Selenium TestNG class from TestNG.xml. Today, I will show you how you can run your Selenium TestNG class from command line. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Hello viewer, now I am at computer screen. As part of today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. We'll run TestNG class from the command line. In order to do that, first we need to create a library folder, then place TestNG and Selenium JAR into library folder. Then we need a bin folder path, then we need library folder path. Then we can run this from command line as two command and also combined in one command. I'll show you both. So first is you need to set class path, then bin path, then library path, then you need to run your command. So also you can combine together, run only one command. So in order to do that, first open Eclipse. So once you open Eclipse, then go to File, then click New, then click Java Project. Let me do the TestNG. Just put the project name as a TestNG, then click Finish. Once your project is created, expand that source folder. There is a module info.java created. Delete that. We don't need that. So then click OK. Select the source folder now. Right click, New, then click Package. Put the name as com.test. You can put any name based on your project. Then click Finish. Once package is created, then right click, then New. If you don't see over here TestNG class, then click Other. Then select the TestNG class, then click Next. You need to put over here up to source. Thereafter, class name TestNG example. You can write any name based on that. Hereafter, there is multiple annotation. For this tutorial, I am not taking any of them, but for later tutorial, I will explain all the TestNG annotation. Then click Finish. Your class is created. You see TestNG is a red mark, mouse over. You see, you need to add TestNG library over here. Here TestNG library added and your red mark is gone. Then you need to select your project. Then right click in the project, then go properties. Then you need to select class path, then add external jar. You need to add all Selenium jar. Selenium jar you can download it from Selenium official website. Then click open. Once it is done, then apply and close. Now you need to write your code. In order to make video shorter, I am copying the code from previous class so that it will be little bit short tutorial, not that short. Copy from here. We need to paste it over here. So here you see the red mark, thread.sleep, add throws declaration, your red mark will become. So here is all of our code. Here also we can use another thing after open your application. Here we can use another line of code, which is driver.manage.window.maximize. Ended up semicolon. This is our TestNG class created. Save it. Now you see it is TestNG class is created. We need to convert this class as a TestNG. So in order to do that, select the project, then right click. You see TestNG option, then convert to TestNG. Click over here. You see TestNG.xml with this code will be created. Then click Finish. You see over here TestNG.xml is created. Double click over here. You can run this TestNG suite from here. So if you have a multiple test case, also you can add it over here and you can run all the tests from here. So right click, run as TestNG suite. Click over here. Let's see it works or not. So it is running. It will open Firefox browser. it will navigate to google.com, maximize the browser, wait 2 seconds, then it will close. Exactly it happens. Maximize the browser, then it close. And also if we see the console message, test passes, and also whatever expected, it is printed as console. So now we need to go to the command line. In order to go to the command line, we need to navigate to the project folder. You see, here is our TestNG. This is our project location. You can figure it out this location also other way. So TestNG, select your project, right click, show in System Explorer. Here is your TestNG. So once it is open, go to the address bar location, then type cmd, then hit enter. Your command prompt will open this way. Now, before going to the command prompt, you need to, let me exit from here. You need to add library folder. So select the project, right click, new folder. It should be a library folder. Then click finish. In this library folder, you need to add TestNG jar, whatever it is here. TestNG, how many jar over here, and also Selenium jar, you need to add this library. So right click in the library folder, then show in System Explorer. So it is our library folder. We need to add all the jar over here. So where you will get those jar? Let me open another folder, TestNG, software testing. You need to where your Eclipse is located. Go to Eclipse plugins. You see over here all the jar. You need to pick whatever jar in the Eclipse. You need to pick from here. So all the jar I copied over here. Let me take it from all the Selenium and TestNG jar. Copy from here and paste it to the library folder. If you go to the Eclipse and refresh the project file, refresh, you will see all the jar added over here. Now go to that location, TestNG, then select the address bar, type cmd, command prompt open. Now you need to do, first we are doing the two command, set class path equal to, first we need the folder location. Folder location, first we need the bin folder location. It is the bin folder location, copy from here and paste it over here, edit, paste. Then you need to put semicolon. Thereafter we need library folder location. So library folder, it is here, copy from here, copy and paste it, command prompt, edit, paste. Then after library, you need to put another backslash, then you need to put asterisk sign. That means whatever jar is over there, we need that one. Then you need to hit enter. So class path is set. Now you need to write your run code. Java org.testng.TestNG. Then you need to write your file name, TestNG.xml. Then hit enter. It will run. So it is running. So let's see how it goes. You see browser open. It will navigate to google.com. It will maximize the browser. Yes, it is maximized. Then it will close. And if you see in the command prompt, application launched successfully and test it is fast. Let me clear that screen. So now we'll run one command. For one command, you need to write Java space cp, then space, you need the bin folder path. Bin folder path is here. Copy that path and you need to paste it over here. Edit, paste. Then you need to put semicolon. Thereafter you need library folder path. So library folder path is, this is the library folder path. Copy that path and paste it over here. Similar way, we need another backslash, then asterisk sign. After library folder placed, then you need to write the command org.testng.TestNG. Then you need to write your XML file name, TestNG.xml. Then you need to hit enter. Once you will hit enter, it will run, and the way it works. It opens browser and it is navigated to google.com. Maximize the browser, then it close. So you see the console message, application launched successfully, then test is passed. That's all for today's tutorial, how to run your TestNG class from the command line. I believe those who are new in software automation testing, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.